Okay, so what's going on, guys? Welcome to the video, and this is your host, your one and only Guyver. Now we're going to do some DIY project for the studio as part of my YouTube studio renovation type of video, because as you may all know, there had been some instances where parts of the studio which I already renovated last year got destroyed because of the storm that happened here in the Philippines last year. So we're going to start off with the desk, and if you have seen my desk is pretty much made out of reclaimed wood, and I don't want to buy a new desk because it's expensive in a way, and I just don't want to spend that much money. So my alternative is, which you've already seen here, is I bought some vinyl flooring, which can be, I'll show it to you guys. This one, which can be used in a wood. So we're going to do some project today, and I'm not going to be using a ruler. So yeah, so the next video you're going to be seeing is from the GoPro, and it's gonna be a top-down view. So yeah, I hope this is gonna be a short video. So okay, so I've moved the desk so you guys can see a little bit. Next thing is, yeah, my GoPro is already here. I'm too lazy to actually use the wireless microphone, so bear with me. There will be some instance where the audio is coming from here or on this microphone. So yeah, let's begin. Okay, it was one of the vinyl or vinyl, whatever, is a little bit destroyed. So yeah, so I need to carefully place it on the side. Oh yeah, and by the way, the whole desk is actually not leveled, so there's some elevation issue, but yeah. Okay, so the second plank is set. 2 down, 1 more to go. Oops, sorry. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see. Yeah, if you can see here, you need 1 more strip. If you guys can see, it's not perfect. There we go. Because this table was made from a reclaimed wood. There we go. So this is the problem on this end, but we can't do anything about it. We're just gonna pull out this strip. So we're going to be cutting this side. So yeah, I don't have any scissors, but God, it's so hot. Well, I guess the knife works better. See? Yeah, it worked better. Okay, so that's 1 down. 3 more to go. I hope it's like same size. It does. There's a little bit of thingy, what do you call this, excess, but it's better. Yeah, way better. Okay. Moving on. There we go. Okay, this is the last piece of plank-ish. Yeah. So I'm just gonna... there we go. We're done. Okay, so... yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, there's a little bit of extra excess on this side, but who cares, right? Yeah. So I got a cardboard. Yeah, cardboard as a ruler, but better than nothing, right? So this is a not permanent marker. So you just need to... Can it? Yep, it's erasable, which is good. It's breaking into tiny little pieces. Good thing I have some adhesive too for this project-ish. Wait. So what's the technique? Use the flat edge. So the funny thing, my GoPro died. It's overheating probably because it's shooting at 4K. So but yeah, hang in there my GoPro. We're just like almost done. Yeah. Okay, so how many minutes are we in? 15! And this had been doing 15 minutes. So yeah. There's like an edge here, but who cares about that? Okay, last plank. Okay, so measurements. Here we go. I hope this time it's like way better. And we're done. So yeah, I have some sticky thingies here, but overall I'm done. I'm not sure if you can hear me. I hope to. Hope it does. So there's a little bit of cleaning up, although I can't do anything about the elevation of the desk, but if it's better than just wood or reclaimed wood, I'll go for it. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, it's not perfect, but then again, I enjoy doing this. I'm not sure if I'm going to cut this into a short video or just upload this raw. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm done. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll be seeing you guys to the next one. Bye bye.